The way we always say it is we have to have a champion in any project, especially something like this. You've got to have a champion. You got to have someone that's invested. You got to have somebody that understands the data and understands the benefits of seeing the data a certain way. Noel, Jimmy, everybody's been just super invested from the get-go, and I could easily say that they're both huge champions for it. And yeah, it's super important to have somebody there that's willing and wants to see that data and wants to see it succeed.
Yeah, and you got to know what technology can do for you. You know, a lot of people are just against technology, especially in construction industry. But if you go, Mike, as well as I do, on any job site nowadays, a job site is full of technology. I mean, wireless, mobile. I mean, we have big jobs where we have job trailers, and we have wireless, we have servers out there. I mean, it's incredible. It's a pretty much a remote office, and guys are on the 13th floor and they get their iPads looking at plans. I mean, changes happen and they get it like that. I mean, you have to have technology to be able to run with the big boys.